everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. In today's video, I'm going to show you one fitted bedsheet that I ordered from Meesho. I just dropped my kid in school and now I have all the time in my life. So I'm just editing a video over here, and also I will record this one to show you what it is like. So this is what I bought from Meesho, which comes with 2 pillow covers like this. Now there were quite many other prints available, but I like this one. 2 pillow covers like this, and I think I bought the one which is in queen size, but then you get it in queen size, king size, single bed and all that other stuff. So 2 pillow covers, and this is what the bed sheet is. From far it might not look like velvety, but then it is a velvet bed sheet. I think it will be very much comfortable for winter, so I'm just hoping that. I need to check it. But then yes, so I wanted to buy a regular bed sheet, not a fitted one, but then I did not get it. This is what I like the print, otherwise it looks like blanket only. So I thought maybe I can put the blanket only instead of buying a blanket in the name of a bed sheet. So this one looks like a bed sheet, and that's why I bought it. Because we have a kid, I always prefer to wash it before using. So I will use it today. Now to be honest, I never took winters that seriously. I was not that much like winter conscious. Whenever I feel cold, I will just wear a sweater and that's all. But then after having baby also, I was not that much, concerned about winters. For the last 2 years, I was like, okay, fine, I'll put him a sweater and that's all, not like full, head covering the head and all that stuff. I will not do. But then last week he fell sick and we missed his school for 1 whole week. And whenever he is sick, I will also get sick eventually. Whenever I am sick, he will also get sick eventually. So I have decided that from now onwards, I will take winter seriously. I make him wear socks. I don't let him sit on the floor. I will make sure he sits on a mat or something, and because he don't want to put the blankets on, I will do that like 500 times in the whole night, but he will just take that off. So I have decided that maybe buying something like a velvety blanket, maybe it would not feel that cold kind of thing that you feel right in the bedsheet. I think we can prevent that. I will just let you know my reviews because I have not yet used it. After using, I will let you know what it actually feels like, whether it's worth buying it or not. But first of all, let me put it on the bed. But before I do that, my bed is a full mess now. I just dropped him in school, so I will clean it and then I will put this one on, and tomorrow I will let you know if it is worth investing your money or not. By the way, it was not that costly. It was like normal bed sheets only. It was 600 something, I guess, 600 700, around that price only. But then yes, I will let you know my honest reviews on it. Wait for it. So this is what my bed looks right now after dropping him to school. My husband also went to office. I also had to log in work. So this is a total mess. Now I have some free time and now let's clean it. Also yesterday was his birthday, so after celebrating that and all, we did not have any time left. We just slept. And because it's winters, it's all blankets everywhere. 3-4 blankets are there. So I will just remove all of it. Whatever clothes had to be washed, I will put it for washing. And then I will show you. I will just fast forward this part so that you don't get bored. I hope this fits my bed. It would have been better if they had given a button or something so that we can secure it properly. But then, never mind. I think I quite like it, how it feels, and I am hoping that it will help me fight back against the winters. I will let you know. I'm recording this remaining part of the video after about 2 weeks. So I was using this bedsheet for 2 weeks and I really liked it. And considering that it is in the same price just like a regular bedsheet, maybe you can invest in 1 or 2 of these, even if you are from a place like Bangalore where it's not that cold. And obviously if you are from a place where it gets very cold during winters, you can definitely buy these. You will not feel that cold kind of thing that you feel in cotton or other bed sheets. I really liked it and I loved it so much that I bought another one. So this is the other one that I bought. It was from the same seller. I guess they had different prints like I mentioned earlier. This was like stars and it is in blue color because my toddler really loves stars. So I bought this one. I am yet to use it. But yes, it's same kind, same quality, everything is same. And I really liked it. So that's all for today's video. Until next time, bye.